Today I am explain Avisosama Sutra. Buddha's sermon can also be understood through examples. The Buddha preached in this manner. There is a man among four serpents. A man say you have to feed these four snakes in the morning and in the evening. You need to take a bath, need to clean up. You have to carry a toilet. They need to be put to sleep. Have to walk. If left unmanaged, they can be bite and maybe lost your life. This man is terrified. When he hears this, escape from there. On the way, 5 daughters meet with sword in their hand. This man coming to fight with the sword. He is frightened and runs away. He escapes into the village. There is another daughter in that village. He also come to forward to kill this man. He frightened. He escaped this place. Next he goes to an empty village without people. The robbers come to that empty village. They also try to kill this person. He frightened. He escaped this place. Then he escapes and see a large reservoir. There is a large stream. No one caught in this can come so easily. There is a beautiful land beyond this reservoir. It is very safe. You can brave a place where you can live in comfort. So this man is looking for a way out of this flood. When he looked around, he could see a fruit. He collects this bamboo and makes a boat. He then gets into the boat, support his hand, sail away. He lives happily there without fear. What does this example mean? Who are these four snakes? Look at our body. What is our body made of? The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and body. We speak of were created from the food and water we ate. We got this food from trees and Venus. Trees are made up of soil, water, sunlight and air. The soil, water, air and sun in the environment became food, vegetable and fruits. Those fruits became orange. These fruits became organs like eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body. So air, water, food and heat are like four snakes in our body. If you do not nourish this body on time, do not give it water to drink, do not toilet clean, sleep, wake up, move, act. Our body element is irritated. Either Patavi Dhatu or Apo element gets angry, or Tejo element gets angry, or the Vayu element gets angry. When these are angry, our body suffers in various ways. Diseases occur. It can even lead to death. So our body is like man trapped by poisonous snakes. So this man is trying to get rid of this desire in the body and move on from there. They escapes and meet 5 tortoises. Who are these 5 tortoises? Who are these 5 tortoises? It is a 5 clinging, or the name given by the Buddha is Pancha Upadana Skandha. What is this Pancha Upadana, or 5 clinging? Image or material clinging, feeling clinging, perception clinging, consciousness clinging, volition or thought clinging. For example, an eagle or a hawk flies in the sky with pieces of meat. The other eagles attack the animal to snatch the piece of meat. If these pieces of meat are not given enough, it will suffer a lot. Even death can be experienced. The Upadana Skandha is as follows. What is this mean in the image clinging or the by attachment? The enjoyment of one's own image or the other image. As long as you cling to this image, you have to work hard to protect, nurture, and comfort those images. Not only that, conflicts have to arise due to this. We have to suffer physically and mentally, have to fall in prisons. Death or similar suffering can occur as long as you are clinging in the picture. So sticking to the image is like being a tortoise. What is the clinging of this feeling? You experience pleasure or pain, or when you experience sorrow, you enjoy them. Enjoy this and look forward to see them again, or maybe try to collect of this feeling. Many have to suffer to get this back. Sometimes conflicts have to arise. There will be riot, falling prisons. Even death can happen. Therefore, feeling clinging are the same as torture. What is this perception clinging? We hold object, we animal in mind, giving them different values. Banknotes are just a piece of paper. But we value it because of the printed notes and stick to it in the mind. Animal bodies are made up of thinking like food, water, and air. But we are attached to those bodies by naming them as mother, father, brother, males and female. Because of these bonds, they have to face various trouble, persecutions and the tortures. It can even cause death because of this perception. Clinging is like a torture. What is the clinging of volition or thought? the mind is engrossed in the thought that arises. Lust, hatred. When we are stuck in thoughts like jealousy, we have to suffer different cases. Even death can happen. So volition clinging is like total. What is the clinging of consciousness? when an image appears in front of this eye, the consciousness of the eye is born. Then we think, I saw it. So during that time the ego grows. Thus, when sound come to ear, the firmness of the ear is born. Nasal congestion not is born when the nose smells. The consciousness of the tongue is born when the tongue tastes. The body consciousness is born when the body feels the touch. The mind is born when the mind feeling. After this consciousness is born, the object is touched by that consciousness and the eyes and the image. Then the ego grows because of those goals. Many people pray to those goals. There is a mental anguish, suffering and total come. Maybe even death. Therefore, Pancha Upadana is like a tortoise. He then escaped from the five tortoise. The internal tortoise is called craving. Internal craving also bothers you. Look at this image, look at the sound, taste in the so on, doing so will born this suffering. Is subjected to various forms of torture, conflicts will arise. It can even be death. So inner desire is like a torture. Next to him he fell to an empty village. Empty village mean our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body. There is no one who see through this eye. No one listening through ears. No one who smell through the nose. No one who touch through the body. Therefore, these elements in the body are called empty village. The robbers who come to this empty village are the image, sound, smell, taste, touch, and come from outside. When these external image collide with the outside object of the eye, they have to suffer due to their attachment. There are various problems. Even death can happen. Escaping from the empty village, he came to a great stream. What is this great stream? There is a Kama Yoga, Bhava Yoga, Avidya Yoga, and Ditthi Yoga. What is Kama Yoga? Animal is traveling again and again, birth and death, because they cling to the preserved world. What is the Bhava Yoga? The animal longs to be born again. What is the Avidya Yoga? It is an ignorance of everything that happens in nature. For example, look at the formation of water. Water is formed by the combination of oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen did not tell hydrogen to join me. Hydrogen did not even tell oxygen to join me. It happens by the law of nature. Animals are also subject to nature. They do not know how the animal came to be. Because of that ignorance, they have to be born again and again. What is Ditthi Yoga? They cling to their religious beliefs, does not act for understanding. It does not question its truth or falsity. Although he sees his beliefs as wrong, he is immersed in it for various reasons, such as nationality. As a result, they die and born and travel the world again and again. Next, he saw the safe haven beyond the flood plain. That is the Nirvana, a place where you can get rid of all the misery and live happily ever after. Nesby wanted to cross the river. It need to board. That boat is the Noble Eightfold Path. What is this Noble Eight Path? Right understanding view, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration.